Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
By making these horizontal slices, you are cutting against the grain so the slices won't be stringy. You must keep the blade as horizontal as you can. When you've sliced the entire breast, all the slices will still be attached to the breastbone if you've done it right.
Take our lead.
The turkey needs to rest before carving. About 45 minutes or so gives it time to reabsorb the juices. Otherwise they'll dribble out when you slice, and the meat will be dry. Don't tent the turkey with foil to keep it warm while it's resting. It's unnecessary and will make the skin soggy.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
A kitchen towel placed over the foil helps keep the meat warm and moist until it's time to be carved and served. For another option, cover the bird with foil and return it to a low temperature, 200 F oven. Place a pan of water under the turkey to create steam, which contributes to moistness.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
You will have a juicy bird without the stress. Did you know that you can roast a turkey for Thanksgiving a day ahead of time, carve it, refrigerate it overnight, and then reheat it to juicy perfection on Thanksgiving Day? This wonderful method ensures a moist and flavorful bird and is much easier on the cook.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.